Nigeria's most important resource is what brings us here. Tech Convergence 2.0 is about that resource that NG means everything in today's world.
For 2 decades, NiRA has proudly managed this national digital resource on behalf of Nigerian people, ensuring that it remains secure, resilient, and globally recognized. So by hosting this event in the capital, NiRA aims to bridge policy with practice, bringing together government agencies, private sector players, academia, startups, and development partners to chart a cohesive path for Nigeria's digital growth.
Our mission extends beyond domain registration. It is about building trust, encouraging local content, and fostering digital inclusion that leaves no Nigerian behind.
Today, I thank you and thank the members of the Board of Trustees of NiRA for having nurtured this mustard seed into an oak tree that we're all proud of today. This committee will be holding a public hearing. Will ensure that some of those laws are repealed in this new bill that will ensure that all of those things that are hindering the progress of our digital economy are resolved.
So for every government agency in Nigeria, over 1,200 of them has to use .ng. And that's the message I've brought to you, that revolution has started.
I commend NiRA and all stakeholders for creating an inclusive space where ideas, expertise, and partnership converge to build a vibrant, resilient digital ecosystem.
I would like to especially recognize NiRA for consistently championing the growth of Nigeria's digital identity through the promotion of the .ng domain space.
Celebrates the transformative power of the internet and digital technology as engines of economic development, innovation, and inclusive governance of our nation.
There are some of the technical specification, and NiRA is working on one of them today, which is what we call the DNSSEC. My expectation is that by next year, by this time when we are organizing this event again, we see improvement.
Together, we will ensure that our digital infrastructure remains secure, reliable, and accessible to every Nigerian.
What is that one policy that you would implement to drive a quick change?
I think it should start with our SMEs.
So if there's a way that we can improve how people relate to things that are Nigerian,
I would make sure that the digital infrastructure in Nigeria caters to the underserved, the unserved, and the unborn.
It is just about adoption, and I believe it will not be an issue as we collaborate.
Every Nigerian will see the need and necessity to be a registered .ng person.
This is the key things that we need to do. Policy, which is number one, then we have awareness.
The policy that I would love to implement is basically the .ng policy.
My organization will actually be speaking to schools. If they can incorporate the NG.
I've even decided to even be one of the registrars with NiRA.
From all the conversations that we've had today, we've seen the role that .ng plays in Nigeria's competitiveness, even at the global stage, as well as its impact on our economic growth. Let us make .ng the heartbeat of Nigeria's first digital future. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.